Well, hello. Somebody told me that this place was open again. I was here a long time ago and loved it, but then it closed. So I was told last week that they sold it to the bartender and a manager, which means that they will work to keep it good. So I am at Fire and Smoke, and the server told me that I should try the bread tray. So I said, sure, why not? So I want you to look at this. I'm so excited. These are yeast rolls. These are jalapeno cornbread, and this is a goat cheese and rosemary muffin. This is a sorghum butter. This is another kind of butter. Dang it, I forgot what she told me. Oh, that's good. That's there's some garlic in that. And this is tomato jam. So I'm gonna try to set this phone to where it'll sit right here. It may not. We're gonna see if I can do this. I can't. Hang on. I know I could get a cordless mic, but then you'd have to charge it every day, and it's too much. Okay, I'm gonna try this jalapeno cornbread, and she said that the sorghum butter was good on that. She said it toned it down a little.
What do you think?
Golly, that's good.
Golly, right? Good.
Yes. Oh my goodness. I may just eat the bread. So good. Now, the rosemary goat cheese muffin sounds too good to be true. And she said this one was the best for it. No, she didn't. She said the tomato jam was good on that. And she is so right. Man, that's good. Holy smoke, that's good. Speaking of smoke, the name of this place is Fire and Smoke. It's in the old Fire and Smoke building. It's right behind and up at North Shore and Pellissippi Parkway. I'm gonna try this yeast roll. I can make a meal on this. Oh my gosh. That is so good. Okay. Wow. This is so good. Okay. I ordered the halibut, so it'll be here soon. halibut here. It is served on some black-eyed peas and some greens. I'm not really much on black-eyed peas, but I'm high on halibut. Oh, God. God. That is amazing. Peas. They're peas. I can eat them, but they're just not wonderful. Now these greens, these are crispy. Oh, I've never eaten a crispy green, but that's still wonderful. That's really good. And I also got to order Brussels sprouts because Brussels sprouts is like a wedge salad and banana pudding. If it's on the menu, I've got to try it. So these Brussels sprouts are a little crisper than most people's Brussels sprouts. They're good. They could use a little brown sugar and a little balsamic. But this is a really good meal. I don't know if I'll do dessert or not. It's all according to how much time I have. I've got to be back in Maryville at 8. So, carry on. What the heck? I got dessert. I got a flour. Oh, I got the hiccups. Okay. Let me see if I can do this. I got the flourless chocolate raspberry. Oh God, I got the chocolate flourless raspberry tort with a raspberry ice cream. And some raspberries. Okay, I can't believe I got the hiccups. So stupid. Oh, that's rich. But oh, that's good. I love raspberries. And my hiccups are gone, I do believe. Praise Jesus. That's really good. Okay, try Fire and Smoke at Pellissippi Parkway and North Shore. It's in the same building as Inapa, but it's on the back side. It's behind Inapa. Fire and Smoke. They've got a fire over there. See the fireplace? I love that chandelier. And I guess there's smoke somewhere. Surely there's a Baptist in this place. Fire and Smoke, you gotta try it.